So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again from Option Alpha, and welcome back to The Daily Call. Today we're going to go through what I think are the top 3 qualities of people who lose trading options. Now, I'm not saying this is everybody who loses trading options, but I think generally, after doing this now 10 plus years, I see people who do some of the same reoccurring things over and over again, and they develop their own little pattern and habit that starts to evolve. So if I were to kind of break it down into the top 3 things that would characterize somebody who I would think would be somebody who's not going to make it in options trading, it would probably be one of these 3 things. First, they complain about their circumstances and wait for something to change. So undoubtedly, when I see somebody start complaining about why the president is tweeting, or why the Fed is doing this, or why Russia and China are doing what they're doing, or anybody else, undoubtedly I know somebody is just not taking control of their own circumstances and they're waiting for something to change. They're using everyone else as a scapegoat for why they can't be successful. Number 2, they look for gimmicks or shortcuts to success. You would not believe the number of emails that I get on a monthly basis of people who ask if I can make 50% a month in trading, or how can I do it? Or I know it's probably really hard to do, but how could I do just even one trade that makes, 200%? And the reality is that they have such a short window and short-sightedness for regards to probabilities and expectancy that they're just trying to gamble. And they're using options trading as a means of trying to gamble and shortcut their way to success. I'm telling you, it would actually kind of probably for many people actually astonish you how many people email me and say, things like, how can I make 10% a month? Or how can I make, 25% in a month? Even if it's just for a month, Kirk, I just tell me really quickly, like what you would do if you, knew you had to make 25% in a month, or you knew you had to make 50% on a trade. And it's really sad because I know that ultimately those people are going to fail. And I try to steer them in the right direction, but they probably just never reply back or go someplace else. All right, so number 3 is they avoid hard work. They're closed-minded, go at it alone, and give up easy. I know that was a couple of them, but I kind of wrapped them up in a third. But it's just really this idea of people who just, really kind of shut down and give up. It's options trading is not going to be something that is easy to do, but it is very simple. It's very simple in regard to how the numbers work, how the models work, how the research has been proven from us and everybody else. That's all simple stuff, but it's not easy to do. It's hard to do in the sense that it's hard to go in every day and make trades. It's hard to understand lingo if you're not new to it. It's hard to understand a brokerage platform that you've never seen before and looks like a jet fighter cockpit, right? That stuff is a little bit difficult. But if you're closed-minded and you don't give or reach out for support, then ultimately you're doomed to fail. So reach out for help. Look for people to help. You can look to us. If you want us to help you, you can look to other people online or other people that are, talking about trading. Like, look for support, help other people out along the way as you go, answer questions that you can answer and help somebody else out somewhere else online or in a forum, or, a mother, a brother, a sister, a father, a coworker who's starting to trade, but don't give up. Really keep after it, because it is a lifelong pursuit that hopefully is a worthy one for you to be on, because it helps you gain control of what you're doing in your portfolio. So hopefully this helps out. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on The Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on The Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.